In this video, we're gonna debunk 5 of the most common shaving myths. Let's jump into it. Here we go. Number 1 on the myth, shaving causes your hair to grow back faster, thicker, and darker. And that is a myth. Now to debunk this, it actually comes down to genetics. So it just all depends on your body. The big thing that we gotta think about is armpit hair actually grows 50% times faster than any other part of your hair. So ladies out there that are shaving their pits, yeah, there are some guys out there, you're definitely gonna know that your armpit hair grows back faster than your arm or your leg hair. And yes, I am a testament to notice that. Number 2, and I believe this forever, and it is a sharper razor is gonna cause more cuts and nicks when you start shaving with that new blade. Now I've actually done a video on this, but the myth goes that you should go ahead and dull up your razor a little bit beforehand before shaving because that might prevent cuts and nicks. But in the fact, it's actually coming down to lubrication, a sharp blade, and not a lot of pressure when shaving. And of course, those are some of the things that I am not neglecting to do, is that doing a nice lather, going a light pressure on the shave, and lastly, that sharp blade is gonna ride nicely through that hair compared to a dull blade where you might have to go back a few times, which is gonna cause extra skin irritation. So, lather, light pressure, and a new blade. Try it. Number 3, shaving over the same hair is gonna get a deeper and better shave. That is a myth. Now there is a caveat in that, and that is the direction of where the hair is gonna grow and what type of blade you're gonna be using. But the biggest thing that we don't wanna do is going over the skin multiple times. Now I've done it before where it's like 1, 2, 3, and that's probably about the max. But if you're going over it more and more and more, you're really not gaining any hair or you're gonna get a deeper cut. Now my biggest recommendation is that if you are gonna be going over that hair multiple times, make sure you're finding the direction of the hair growth, shave it over one in the direction, and then go the opposite if you want maybe more of a deeper and smoother shave. Try it out. Shaving myth number 4, and this one is giving me the icks already thinking about it, but it is okay to use someone else's razor. Stop it, cut, no. That is a big no-no. Now for someone who is all about skincare and hygiene, I would never touch this with a 10-foot pole, let alone a 4 or 5 or a straight razor that someone else has. I would have to be in the deep dark deserts and yeah, there's just no way I would shave with someone else's. And this, remember you guys, we have our own, we have our own bacteria within our skin, within our cells. And when we start sharing these things, we can definitely cause problems down the line, like staph, we can have skin irritation, and or abscess going on in our skin. We do not want that, all right? So when it comes to you and your personal hygiene, it's just like your toothbrush, right? It's just like your comb, your brush. Like you wanna keep everything within yourself because those are your germs. Keep the germs safe, keep them within you. All right, shaving myth number 5, last one. And this one, I'm a little curious about it, and that is shaving every day is not okay. Now this goes back to the sharp razor. If you guys are using a sharp razor every day, that's okay. And we're trying to go back into some of the myths here, is that we don't want to use a dull blade, we want to use a sharp blade, and we don't want to go over the skin multiple times. So if you're shaving every day, it might be your armpits, it might be your chest hair, it might be your butt, I don't know, any other thing in between. You just want to make sure you're not going over it, you're using a sharp blade, and you're not putting too much pressure. So as long as you're not irritating your skin and you're having a sharp blade and you're doing all the right things, there's really no reason why you can't shave every day. All right, so if any of those things surprised you, let me know in the comment section. I'm pretty excited. Some of those I kind of already knew, but at the same time, I might have to change up some of my practices. With that, you guys, love you. See you on the flip side, and I will talk to you in the next video. Have a good one. See ya.